back. If this is your first time, my name is Darlingranita, and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. If you do love lifestyle and travel and fashion videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, because I do upload videos every Sunday, which follows behind with 2 shorts. So I am getting ready. This is a get ready with me video. I am getting ready for church. I'm not sure about what outfit I'm going to wear, but I am going to show you which 2 that I am thinking about wearing. I've already beat, as they say, my face. I've already pre-done my hair, that these are the edges, and I've made my coffee. It is hot in the M-Town. We are looking at today a 94, and I don't have hot coffee. I do have cold coffee, which is iced coffee. I do have a new gadget that makes iced coffee. I am a gadget girl. I love everything gadget, and that is from Mr. Coffee. It does do the trick. I don't have to go and buy iced coffee from the grocery store when hey, I can make it myself. But I do enjoy having so many gadgets. Now, once I am a little weary and tired of the gadgets, I do hand them down to my sis, because she knows that me and hubby, if we're not going to use it, we're going to ask her if she wants them. So let me go ahead and finish getting ready, and let me show you the outfits that I am thinking about wearing to church on today. So this is the first item that I will be thinking about wearing on today. It is a bubble dress, if you can see, with the elastic that's at the bottom. I love the buttons. If you can see, the buttons is somewhat look similar to the colors that is on the dress. Now, my shoes. These are Michael Kors. I love them because of the spike that is in the shoes. In the jewelry that I'm going to wear, this is a herringbone necklace. I will have the details of where I got this from. It is 14K plated, which will not turn. So fake it until you make it, boo. That's my slogan. I have on my Michael Kors watch. Now, the other jewelry that I have is going to be with my ankle bracelets that I got from Sis. And I will link that video below that you would need to see, that gives you more detail on the jewelry. Now, the bag matches my shoes. So this is the Michael Kors bag. If you can see the little spikes that is on here, which matches with the shoes. So this is outfit number 1. So let's look at outfit number 2. This is outfit number 2. It is a long skirt with some some platform white sandals. I have this Michael Kors bag. I got this from out of town. I think it was in Florida at the outlet store. I love this because of the pockets Now it is long, but it gives me that flow that I'm needing. I have on just a t-shirt from Walmart. FYI, I get all my t-shirts now from Walmart. They're only $3.88, and when they're off season, they are $1. Okay, just a FYI to you. And the jewelry, I did switch out. I put my Tiffany choker on. I changed my watch. I changed to a butterfly. No, it's not a butterfly, but it's a flower ring. And let me let you see these. These are the platform shoes from Aldo's. So this is the second option. Now I was thinking about wearing black shades. No, or these white. If you can see that the white has some gold in it, which will go perfect with this bag. So, let's see, which one did I pick? Oh, I forgot. I want to show you my new lipstick I got from Juvia's Place. I am just simply in love with Juvia's Place. It's either Juvia's or Fendi, but this is the new lipstick. This is how it looks. I love it. It's getting hot, really hot in the South, that you do not want to wear a lot of makeup on. You want your skin to breathe. So this is the new look that I have. What you think is from Juvia's Place. I can't think of the number. I can't see the number right now, but I will most definitely have it linked below. So I think I am going to go with, this is the outfit number 1. All right, so thank you for watching. If you do love lifestyle and travel and fashion videos, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.